Why do we study effect of force? We study effect of force due to we cannot see force. Even till this date, no one has seen force as well as no one has tested it. It means we cannot observe force without its effect. Whenever force is applied on a body, the effect is shown there. By the effect, we can observe that the force is applied or not, and also we can observe that the force is applied is how much. It means the magnitude of force can be observed whenever the effect of force is seen. Let's understand the some effect of force. The first one is that force change stationary body to move. If we examine this example, that a stationary body such as football on the ground, a football player has kick on the ball and it already started to move. What happens here? Actually, the football and the feet of the footballer has it must get into the interaction, and due to the interaction, it means a force is applied there, and football is now moving on the ground. So here we can observe that the football was at rest, but when the applied force, it means interaction between the feet and the football is happened there, it starts moving. It means force change a stationary body to move. And the second effect of force, we can say that if the force is applied on a moving body, it can stop it. We can observe it through just like a wicket keeper, or if it means in a football, the goalkeeper doing this same work. Just a footballer has kicked the ball into the goal post, but what do the it means a goalkeeper do there? They stop it. Actually, they interact to the football with their hand and they stop the ball. It means due to the interaction between the hand of goalkeeper and the football, there is a force applied. Due to this, the moving ball is going to stop. It means whenever the force is applied on a moving body, it change it means position from motion to at rest. If we can observe the third, it means concept about the effect of force, is that if force applied on already a moving body, what happens there? It will change its speed. It means the body could be accelerate. Let's understand the acceleration word mean. Acceleration mean change of speed in per unit time. It means if the force is applied on a moving body in a same direction, it means the direction of movement of the body and the force is externally applied on it, both are the same. In this case, the body's direction of force and the amount of force has now gained new force from the externally. That is why the body will move more faster. It means the acceleration here, the positive. It means speed of the body will increase. If the second, if we can, it means get example to in another case, that a moving body is motion on the ground and applied force in the opposite direction. What will happen there? There will be the body will be change its motion again, its speed will again change, but here will be reduce it. It means decrease the speed of the body in that case. Okay, let's understand another concept, that if the force is applied on a body, it change its shape and size also. Just inflated balloon, if we put together with our hands, it will change the balloon shape and size. Here it means the force applied here, actually the interaction between the hand and the balloon is happened due to the force is applied, and the force is applied its effect is clearly seen that the balloon's shape and size has changed. Similarly, if we stretch the rubber band, its size has changed. If we get a spring and we will stretch it, its size again change. It means these are the conclusion that the force is applied. It means interaction between the two object is happened. It means there will be some effect will change, and that effect is showing that the force is applied there. So it is the concept. We shall study next concept in the next video.